Ever wonder about scar tissue or what we call adhesions and what that stuff actually is? Why does it cause so many problems? From the way we move to that stubborn stiffness or chronic pain that just won't go away. Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, Doctor of Physical Therapy at Rehab and Revive. Let's get into what's really going on under your skin. But first, real quick, please take a few seconds to like this video, subscribe. If this helps you out, consider hitting that thanks button and donating to support this channel. We've also built out a Revive at Home programs, link at the descriptions below, so you can work on your body the right way between clinic visits. We truly appreciate your support. So what is scar tissue? Put simply, it's your body's natural repair material. Anytime you experience an injury, a surgery, repetitive strain, or even just chronic inflammation from poor movement patterns, your body heals by laying down collagen fibers. That's scar tissue. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Scar tissue isn't bad by default. It's actually necessary. Without it, you wouldn't heal. The real problem is how it gets laid down. Healthy tissue looks like organized parallel strands that slide smoothly past each other. Scar tissue, on the other hand, often forms in a disorganized, dense, and sticky clump. This happens especially if healing happens too fast, if there isn't enough movement, or if the area stays irritated. When those tissues that should glide start to bind together, that's an adhesion. This happens through a process called fibrosis. When you have an injury, your body sends in fibroblasts to lay down collagen. Now, research shows that movement and mechanical loading during that phase strongly influence how that collagen aligns. If there's no movement, the collagen gets deposited randomly, like a messy bird's nest. If there's smart movement, it stays organized. This is exactly why immobilization, sitting too much, or resting forever often makes your stiffness worse instead of better. Over time, this messy adhesion restricts your joints, messes with your muscle firing, and makes your nerves way more sensitive. Now let's talk about the big question. Can we break it up with scraping? Let's clear up a huge myth right now. Scraping does not literally break or tear scar tissue apart. If it did, that would actually be more tissue damage, which is the last thing we want. What muscle scraping, or what we call IASTM, actually does is much smarter. Instead of breaking things up, scraping increases local blood flow and stimulates the sensors in your skin and fascia. It basically talks to your nervous system to change your perception of stiffness and pain. In other words, scraping wakes the tissue up and improves the glide between the layers. It helps your brain remap how to move safely. Some studies even show it can help reorganize the collagen, but only, and this is the most important part, only when you move afterward. Scraping without movement is just temporary relief. Scraping followed by proper loading and motion is what creates lasting change. This is why in our clinic, after we use our tools, we immediately get you moving. Motion is lotion is what I always say here. We have to teach the tissue how it's supposed to slide and glide and stretch again. So the big takeaway, scar tissue isn't your enemy. Disorganized tissue and a protective nervous system are the real issues. Scraping is a great tool, but it's not a magic fix. Movement is the message that actually teaches your body how to heal smarter. If this cleared things up for you, let us know. We will link some scraping videos I have made below. Drop some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. It helps us keep sharing the truth about how your body works. I'm Dr. Justin Lin. Remember, we heal smarter.